everyone, it's Solana again from Sydney Web3. So let's just jump straight into this week's latest news and updates. Last Saturday was the main event of BAYC's Otherside Metaverse's NFT, Otherdeeds, which are titles to lend plots. Mint price was fixed at 305 ApeCoins and limited to 2 per wallet. A total of 55,000 plots were available. The non-Dutch auction disclosure headed the slide in ApeCoin prices as less were needed to participate in the minting. Sell-off continued post-mint as well and is currently at $17 per token. During the mint, investors were extremely frustrated with the unintended gas war with fees over 2 Ethereum, almost the price of one land plot. However, the mint was a huge success with over $245 million in revenue within just 2 hours. Floor price was initially around 8 Ethereum and fell down to around 4 Ethereum, but investors are still profiting even after the gas price. Little has been revealed about the Metaverse except for a trailer. It is said to be an RPG compatible with other blue chip NFTs such as CryptoPunks, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, Cool Cats, and World of Women. Otherside is not just a world created for the BAYC community, but for others as well. Moving on to celebrity Brad Pitt and his new champagne NFT. Brad Pitt will be launching an NFT collection in a few months for his Fleur de Marvel champagne. Several famed companies such as Dom Perignon and Penfolds have already joined this industry last year. In particular, one of the wineries launched a collection of NFTs as a representation of an actual wine bottle itself. But I beg the question, if these utilities really make up for the price of one NFT, is it worth it to pay thousands for an NFT to wine and dine with Brad Pitt, or is this another marketing gimmick to repackage the selling of NFTs? Here is a snapshot of Ethereum's progress from Q1 2022. The network revenue increased 46% from $1.6 billion to $2.4 billion. Ethereum stake rose 111% from 5.2 million to 10.9 million. DeFi TVL increased 82% from $49.1 billion to $89.5 billion. The Layer 2 TVL increased 964% from $686.9 million to $7.3 billion. Stablecoin circulating supply rose 188% from $42.3 billion to $122.1 billion. This measures the value of both centralized and decentralized stablecoins that are either natively issued or bridged onto Ethereum. Moving on to OKBear sets new records on Solana's NFT market. Although Ethereum has continued to dominate the NFT scenes, Solana is quickly becoming a worthy rival as new projects attract fresh capital to the rising rival. Interestingly, a new Solana NFT project has smashed previous records, generating more trading volume than its Ethereum counterparts. OKBears, a collection of 10,000 bear avatars, made its debut yesterday and broke previous minting records on the Solana ecosystem. The floor price of the project, which minted at 1.5 Sol, so about $145 per NFT, quickly surged to over 50 Sol within 24 hours. Solana suffers 7-hour outage as NFT demand spills over. The Solana blockchain is recovering after going dark in a 7-hour outage caused by a significant rush of bots trying to mint non-fungible tokens on the crypto network. An NFT minting program for Solana called Candy Machine struggled under a tsunami of traffic from bots seeking to push through transactions late Saturday, which caused Solana's mainnet to fall out of consensus and crash as nodes belonging to validators collapsed under the weight. 4-digit ENS domains spike in demand this week and continue soaring. Ethereum name services or ENS domains ranging from 0000 to 9999 have recently been causing a stir among non-fungible token investors, speculators and enthusiasts alike. Even though 3- and 4-digit names have been around for years, the number of people registering for ENS domains and purchasing these digit names on secondary markets over the past week has significantly affected the market's trading volume. Moving on to our final update for this week, Australia's decentralized crypto hub. The big beast in our financial ecosystem are obviously the banks, which have an enormous influence on the wider community. They may not be the first movers, but it's clear that they are responding to customer demand for blockchain products and services. 900,000 Australian customers have put money into crypto exchanges in the last 3 years, said Commonwealth Bank's Sophie Gilder in her Blockchain Week session. This is a good measure of where Australia is on the crypto adoption journey. We are already there. Commonwealth Bank is already trialling 10 cryptocurrencies on its consumer banking app. Response to our launch have been very positive. Engagement with the app is up, she said. The most complaints are from those that are not included in the trial. Ultimately, an ecosystem succeeds when it becomes self-sustaining and the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. In Australia, it's clear that the components of a lively digital asset ecosystem are already beginning to coalesce. If you are interested to learn more, please join our upcoming meetup in Haymarket HQ. Various Web3 communities in Sydney, Australia, which includes Sydney Web3 Dev, Transhumanism Sydney, Blockathon Doe, Metaverse Sydney will bring their updates to Web3 entrepreneurs and developers. That is it, guys, for this week's latest update and news. Thank you so much for tuning in this week. We hope to see you next week, and don't forget to like and subscribe.